How do you test SAP Integration Suite Trading Partner Management in a way where you are able to keep all the details in a good way and connect all your test cases with the trading partner agreements? So here I have a scenario that's been configured, and if I want to create a test case on it, I will then go to my Figaf tool where I would find the same trading partner agreement. We can go in and we can say record messages. I will create a new test suite called B2B, TPM, Amazon for this EU, and I'll say fetch future messages. This will then fetch the next messages that is being processed on this. So I will process a message here. And now if this is being processed, and we would be able to see it in the B2B scenario here that's being processed, this specific message. In Figaf, I can go in and pull, which will then download all the messages from this scenario. So now we have 1 incoming message and 10 outgoing, and that's all we need for creating a test case for this to work. And we can say where it should be added to, and we don't want more test cases for it. So now we have a test case that we're able to run, and we can run whenever we make changes for it. So obviously you can consider how you would create these different test suites in a B2B world. When you're ready, you just click run, and this will then enable you to send in the message again into the system. And here we can see the result that has been processed. And right now we don't have any result because we have not fetched the details. And if we just go back into the monitor here, we now see that this message has been processed again for here. So if we say here, let's see if it's pro, we will pull messages, which again would download all the messages that we have from here. And now we can see they are all in error. Let's have a look at what's the difference. So there's a document number that's a problem and a create time. And probably I would imagine that the create date is also a problem for these things. So with XPath, I can go in and ignore these. I process a comparison again. And now we can see everything turns green and the test case is a success. And this just means it's really easy to see and create these test cases and maintain them. And that means when I go back to my list of scenarios here, I can see all the details. I can do filtering with all these parameters. And here I would be able to see that we now have 3 test cases for it. I can see if it's using B2B flows or process direct flows. So this is probably using MEEC for it. So this was what you were able to do with the tool in testing B2B. Obviously, you can also test migrations with it. It is much in the same way that this works. I hope you really want this and want to explore this. So go to figaf.com and sign up for a trial and explore this on your system. Thank you.